Hi, my name is Przemek Chojecki and this episode is about data science courses. So I wanted to revise a couple of courses which are available online, mostly for beginners because if you're starting then it's always hard to choose what to do. And especially if you're trying to change your career path, if you don't have any kind of you didn't do any programming, you didn't program with in Python or anything else. You actually, for example, went to like a social sciences courses before, then it might be confusing. And this video is about how to choose a good course. So the first thing is that you should choose a framework in which you work, which means that you probably need to learn Python and then stuff like Anaconda, which is environment for using Python, and then connect that to GitHub, GitLab, in order to have code available on the cloud anywhere you go. So those are the basics. And then if you set that up, then basically you start analyzing structures, data structures with Python. So you probably learn like lists, dictionaries, then you go into NumPy, Sklearn, and a couple of other things which allow you to process data. Because if you're willing to learn data science, then it's all about data. And then you probably start working on a couple of nice, interesting data sets, which you might find, for example, online either by scraping, building your own robots, bots who download the information from the web. That's not difficult. And on the other hand, you can download ready to use data sets from, for example, Kaggle, Kaggle.com, Kaggle.com. There are different databases that you can download. So this is the very basics. And then when we talk about courses, there are a couple of sources that you can go to. So first of all, there's Coursera, founded by, among others, Andrew Ng, one of the great teachers of machine learning. His course on machine learning is still on Coursera. That's one of the first massive machine learning data science courses available online. It was firstly, taught at Stanford, and now it's available online. This is a great course, but actually it's probably not for the beginners. It's quite mathematical and you don't code that much along the way. Right now there are other courses that you might be interested in. For example, very practical courses by IBM, University of Michigan, and University of Washington. Each one of them has like starting data science courses like IBM Applied AI or IBM Data Science. There's University of Michigan, Introduction to Python, Python for everybody, and I guess Introduction to Machine Learning. Those are a couple of courses. I will give you links below. There are a couple of texts where I have basically given all the courses that I mentioned here, and that's probably a great list to think about. I tend to collect all the information that I'm giving here on the website datasciencerush.com, so you can visit the website there. There will be like a bunch of books you can start reading, courses you can follow, and I'll keep on adding more to that website. So if that's interesting, you should go there. Okay, so on the other hand, there are also other networks which give you the whole degrees. And there's a concept of a nano degree. So like a small, it's not a real master, but it's like, it's supposed to be a specialization, a kind of a professional certificate that you can get online. So for example, Udacity, Udemy, Edureka, they give you an opportunity to earn a nano degree, say in Python, in data science, in artificial intelligence, machine learning, whatever you choose in that area, it's already there online. It's also great because probably if you just started your career and you're changing your career from something else, then it's really important to have some kind of a proof of your skills in programming. Because another thing is, of course, having a portfolio of GitHub projects that you can show, say something about what kind of problems you solved. This is really also very, very important. Probably the most important thing because it's very practical. Having those open source projects done by yourself, which you can explain during the interview, it's really great. But then those courses and certificates are also very important. So those are different sources. You can have these nano degrees, you can have Coursera. There are, of course, other programs like there's MIT OCWare platform. Harvard is also giving courses for free, so that's absolutely great. You only pay if you want the certificate, but if you don't want to pay, then that's absolutely fine, and you will have almost all the materials available on the web already. Also, a great course is YouTube. So actually, the thing that you're watching right now, there are many guys like me trying to explain something, and there are many actually channels where you can start with actual knowledge about how to run like Anaconda, and then go on to introduce you with each of the concepts. Just Google Python introductory course, and there are a couple of results which will appear, which are really great, because they will show you step by step with they screen shared what you should do, what you should install, how you should set up all the things. This is really great. This is very informative. Also, it's for free. So this is fantastic. So I really like that we're living in this digital world where actually all the education is for free. It's only the matter of having internet connection to access that. Yeah. So that's basically it for the courses. I think that's having a couple of courses done before you start your job is really great, because you can get accustomed to how people talk about data science, what are the crucial concepts, how to start with Python, how to code, and then you will feel less at loss when your actual job starts, or like internship or something that you want to, a project that you want to run by yourself. Thank you for watching this episode. Please subscribe to my channel. Also, please visit my Patreon. I'd be grateful for any kind of a support, because I want to develop this channel even more. It gives me a lot of joy of like giving more content about data science, machine learning. So yeah, have fun, good luck with learning, and see you in the next episode.